Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at the slope of horizontal and vertical lines. So here I've drawn out a graph with a horizontal line, and this goes through here the y value of -2. I have two distinct points on this horizontal line, so let's take a look at finding the slope. Remember that that's the difference in the y values over the difference in the x values. So in this case, the difference in the y values is going to be 2 minus 2 over 4 minus 1. Well, this gives me 0. The slope of the horizontal line is 0. Does not matter which point it passes through on that vertical axis, whether it goes through 2, whether it goes through -10, or if it goes through +8. Does not matter. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0. Visually, that's what this looks like. Let's take a look at the slope for a vertical line. So here I've driven a vertical line that goes through the x-axis at a value of 4. Same rule, difference in the y's over the difference in the x's, rise over run, that's -1 minus 2 over 4 minus 4. This is an issue. Well, -1 minus 2, that's -3. But in my denominator, I've got 0. This is a problem because division by 0 is undefined. So the slope of the vertical line is undefined. Any vertical line, when it goes through the x-axis, and if you're told to find its slope, you're going to have a pair of x values that will match because they all lie on that same vertical line. So if it says to find the slope of this vertical line, dead giveaway, undefined. Versus horizontal lines. When they go from left to right, they will pass through some specific value on the y-axis, meaning they'll have the same y value consistently on that line. It's okay for your numerator to be 0. That gives you a 0 slope. You just cannot ever divide by 0, because in this case, you have an undefined slope. So remember, vertical slope, undefined, versus horizontal, where the slope is 0. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.